State's Attorney Ivan Bates is pushing for transparency for the Safe Streets program after courtroom audio reveals some people may be trying to use their affiliation with the program to their advantage. Fox 45's Mackenzie Frost shares the update in a story you're seeing first on Fox.
Fox 45 News has been trying to get the names of Safe Streets workers for years. And each time, Mayor Brandon Scott says not releasing the names is to protect the violence interrupters. Plus, the workers are not city employees, rather direct employees of the two organizations running the 10 different Safe Streets sites, Catholic Charities and LifeBridge Health. But now,
the sole count associated with this matter is assault in the second degree.
Courtroom audio obtained by Fox 45 News reveals several recent examples of people tying themselves to Safe Streets during various hearings, including bail reviews.
He also spends a significant amount of time volunteering. He works with Safe Streets.
The esteemed minister has known my client for several years and has affirmed that my client participates in Safe Streets and has been a long-time advocate for those in dire straits.
It's almost as if people are in the criminal justice system are using Safe Streets to get out of jail free card.
Baltimore City State's Attorney Ivan Bates says his office is not aware of when Safe Streets employees get arrested.
I think people don't understand the process. And if a city employee gets arrested, an alert pops up and we know this is a city employee. So therefore we understand what we're dealing with. We're just saying treat the Safe Street workers the same way we have to treat the city employees.
According to the Mayor's Office of Neighborhood Safety and Engagement, or MONSE, none of the people involved in the courtroom audio cases are employees of Safe Streets. But that, Bates says, raises even more questions.
Now, because they're not city employees, when you go in front of the court and you're not a Safe Streets worker, but you've said you are, you've perpetrated a fraud in the court. That's called perjury and a false statement. Now, my office will have to open investigations to figure out what's really happening. And with that being the case, that's part of the transparency. We wouldn't have to do this if they just were transparent and they just gave us the names.
Are you going to open an investigation into what we're apparently seeing and hearing in the courts?
I would tell you this. If we believe, and based on the information that we now have from Ms. Moronis, who now, thank you, she's put herself as a potential witness, and we have a duty and obligation to look into those if individuals are perpetrating frauds on the court.
While MONSE is clear the employees from the courtroom audio don't work for Safe Streets, there is one specific person we have more questions about. Not only did Antonio Taylor's attorney say he has had a hand in the recent violent reduction in the city.
My client is somewhat responsible for the decrease of crime in the city as the director of outreach.
But the attorney claims Taylor works for City Hall directly.
He's the director of outreach for Baltimore City. He works directly with the mayor and was actually arrested next to the mayor on this case.
So we followed up with MONSE again Friday, asking about Taylor's ties to City Hall. MONSE pointing us to the mayor's office and the Department of Human Resources. When we learn more details, we'll let you know. In Baltimore, Mackenzie Frost, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.